Did you know Windows 11 has a ton of hidden features that Microsoft doesn't tell you about? From secret UI tweaks to performance boosts, there's a whole world of customization locked away unless you know the right tool to unlock it. That's where Winaero Tweaker comes in, a free, powerful app that gives you access to all these hidden settings. Stick around today. I'm showing you how to unlock the full potential of your PC. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the tweaks, let's talk about Winaero Tweaker. It's a free, lightweight app designed to unlock hidden Windows settings, things Microsoft doesn't let you change easily. Whether you want to customize the Start menu, tweak File Explorer, or even bring back classic Windows features, Winaero Tweaker makes it possible. You can download it from winaerotweaker.com, and it's completely safe, no bloatware or ads. Once installed, you'll see a ton of options, some simple, some advanced. Let's jump into the best ones. Let's start with installing it. Once downloaded, extract the archived file and just run the installer. Simple, clean, and no bloatware. Once it's open, you'll see a sidebar packed with tweak categories. You can go through and check those you want to change. For example, Windows 11 changed the right-click menu, hiding options like copy and paste behind an extra click. If you miss the old menu, Winaero Tweaker can bring it back. Just go to Context menu and enable Show the old context menu. Boom, instant nostalgia. You can restart Explorer now or later for the changes to take effect. As you can see, the menu has changed to the classic one. Disabling background apps in Windows 11 is another excellent tweak. This can boost performance and battery life, especially if you're using a laptop, disabling background apps that keep running even when you're not using them. Now, before you go all in with your tweaking spree, let's talk about something super important: backups and resets in Winaero Tweaker. Change too much and want a clean slate? Just go to Actions, then Reset All Tweaks. This will revert everything back to default Windows settings. You can also click File, then Export Tweaks to save a backup of all your current settings. This creates a config file you can store anywhere and reload later. Need to apply the same tweaks on another PC? Use Import Tweaks and load your backup file. It's perfect if you want identical setups across devices. Windows 11 sends a lot of data back to Microsoft. Winaero Tweaker lets you disable telemetry, uninstall Cortana, and even block automatic updates if you want more control over your system. There are tons of features packed into Winaero Tweaker, and we can't cover them all in one video. So take your time exploring the app and enable or disable the features that work best for you. And that's how you unlock a whole new level of customization in Windows 11. Winaero Tweaker is one of the best tools out there. And the best part, it's totally free and ad-free. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.